Hey guys, how you doing? So today we are going to be completing some work on the 350 Bullet. We rebuilt this engine maybe like 6 months back, and it was just lying like this. We didn't start it that time due to some parts issues. So finally I've got everything, and we are ready to start the bike. So today hopefully it will start. So originally the bike used to look like this, and I'm planning of making it look like a more of a standard with the iron head. So right now I put all of the wiring new on the bike, gauges, switches. I put a newer wiring because they all have sockets and it was becoming easier to connect. And also I put a new carburetor on the bike. So let's see how she purrs in a long time. I think it's like more than 6 months of she standing still. So I'll be coming up with the next video, completing a completion of this bike maybe.
हाँ, पैसा अच्छा पिटेगा ना, बम करके पिटेगा ना गाड़ी, बम करके आवाज़ेगा। टाइट
गिर गया पूरा, आके पड़ ले।
क्या
From here.